Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a form link. First, understand that a form link is a unique URL that directs users straight to your online form. This method simplifies distribution, allowing you to share your form across various platforms without embedding the entire form. It's incredibly useful for surveys, registrations, or feedback collection, ensuring your audience can access it with just one click. We'll cover the essential steps to generate and utilize these links effectively, making your data collection process much smoother and more accessible for everyone involved. Now, let's walk through the process of generating your form link. Most online form builders, like Google Forms or SurveyMonkey, have a clear share or send button. Click on this, and you'll typically find an option to get link or copy link. Once you click it, the unique URL for your form is automatically copied to your clipboard. This link is ready to be pasted wherever you need it, whether it's an email, a social media post, or embedded within a document. It's a straightforward process designed for quick sharing. After generating your link, consider customizing or shortening it. Some form builders offer options to personalize the link's end, making it more memorable. For very long URLs, using a link shortening service like Bitly or tinyURL is highly recommended. These services condense the link into a more manageable and aesthetically pleasing format. A shorter, branded link can also increase click-through rates by appearing more professional and trustworthy to your audience. This small step can significantly enhance your form's reach and engagement. Finally, it's time to share your form link. Paste it into emails, social media posts, or even QR codes for physical distribution. Always test the link yourself before sharing it widely to confirm it directs to the correct form and all fields are working as expected. This simple check prevents potential issues and ensures a smooth experience for your respondents. Remember, a well-distributed and functional form link is key to successful data collection. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.